guys, welcome to Cindy Bag Artistry, and here is another here is another tutorial for you on something a little bold, something I wouldn't normally do. I hope you like it, and please leave your comments, like and subscribe down below, and let's get started. So I already have my base on. I already have this bold, beautiful liquid lipstick on by Rimmel London in Fire Starter. And now I'm just going to concentrate on my eyes. And I'm gonna jump in with the Anastasia palette, the Prism palette, and I'm gonna go in with the color Parallel, and it's a nice brown color. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to apply that to the crease. So I'm applying that to the crease of my eye. Like so. And then with a clean brush, I am going just to buff that out. So. And then I'm gonna go in with the same palette in the color Saturn, and that is just a beautiful burnt orange, and I'm gonna go right on top of Parallel. And you notice how I'm going in circular motions on the ends of my eyes. I'm doing like a banana look. I'm not doing a V. I'm going right in there, like so. And then I'm taking my concealer brush and I'm just going to put that all over my mobile lid. And what I'm gonna do, which helps me, is I'm going to look up and I'm going to carve out that space with my concealer. Now, why am I putting concealer? I'm putting concealer so that the yellow that I'm going to put on is going to be very pigmented and sharp. And why do I do this look up thing? So that way, you see how it's all choppy? I can clean that up because I know that is exactly, if I'm looking up or down, that's where you'll see. I don't know if that makes any sense. I hope it does. So I'm just carving that out. You don't have to be too precise because we will go back in with Saturn and Parallel afterwards. Go. And then I'm gonna go in with the Morphe palette, and I am going to choose a similar color of yellow that I'm already wearing, and it looks like this. So it's going to be bright. And taking my Sigma Sigma E58 brush, I'm gonna dip into that yellow, and I'm just going to pack it on top of my concealer. everywhere where I had put the concealer, I'm putting this yellow shade. And now I'm gonna go back in with Saturn from the Prison palette. So I'm just going to pop that in right back over top where we were. Sorry, this is a little hard with one hand. All right, so back with Saturn, tap off the excess, and in we go. So, and now I'm going to do a wing. Like so. And I'm just gonna fill that out. And I went ahead off camera and did my other eye to match this eye, and now I am going in with Parallel again, and I'm just gonna smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Saturn. So there you have it, you guys. Something bold, something different, something creative, and I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them for me down below. I will be sure to get to them as soon as I can. And I would love if you would like to see me use a certain product, or if you would like me to do a certain look, also please let me know, and I will try my best to accommodate what your needs are to be insta glamorous. So thanks again, you guys, for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Hey you guys, welcome to Cindy Bag Getter.